Hey, what's going on, everyone? Back at it again. Today we're doing another video, and today I will be doing a custom to these right here. Alright, so customer sent these in, and as we can see right here, these are something different. They're not in the greatest shape. He did tell me they was worn, so I'm probably trying to do like a quick cleanup right quick, and then start the process of customizing. But as you can see right here, these are like the netted Volt 4's, and these are kind of cool though. I like them. I kind of like the colorways. And so basically, I'm trying to see, go ahead and remove this stuff off of it, and then go ahead and start to apply the actual image on down here. Excuse me. Apply the image on here. So let's go.
6 top, make a big Glock. We got big shots, we do weak shots. I do headshots, they do red dots. Bitch, I'm red hot, make your bed rock. 6 top, make a big Glock. We got big shots, we do weak shots. I do headshots.
The prepping, which is pretty much not much, because these are kilt or mesh material. Netted, actually, not kilt. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep and get started. But this is crazy though. So I guess Nike must have painted their soles. Yeah, they painted their soles. That's crazy. Jordan's painted their soles. Wow. All right, let's go. Alright, so this one I start applying the stencil. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off right here with the transfer tape. And then go ahead and find a good spot for March. Here you go. Put it right there. Well, no, let me see it right here. Probably better. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. So I'm using my I'm using a hair dryer, and that way will actually make the vinyl stick to the actual material a little more better, have a cleaner bond to it. And because especially since this material is not like a flat, smooth surface. I really would appreciate it if you take up time out for a moment and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and give me a thumbs up. If you can't at this video, give me a comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So now next step, which was I apply white down first, so it'd be like a base color so you can really make it pop. And that's why I start adding layers and different layers on it, and I peel off this vinyl and start doing the line work.
Sometimes it be a sunny day, but I wish it rained. Most nights I sleep my stress away, wake up still in pain. Drink a liquor help relieve the strain that I felt today. With all the Henny and the Mary Jane, all the stress remains. It's all part of the game. Hustle, maintain, do the right thing. Will I choose the right lane? Only God knows. Only God knows. It's all part of the game. Hustle, maintain, do the father, but leaning towards Henny instead of your holy water. When quested with my tribe, I'm a midnight marauder, like Q-Tip and Fife. Work all day and write tunes through the night. Yeah, my fuel is the mic, set flame to the record. It's crazy the results you get from hard work and effort found. Hip-hop in the trash and I turned it into treasure. With calculated tracks full of pain, full of pleasure. I rap about whatever, the ups and the downs. But how I wanna fly but feel stuck to the ground. Away from bird brains that just cluck around. And haters on the goose chase the duck, hunt them down. Up in the clouds, moving forward, never backwards. Who said the sky's the limit? My destination Saturn. Practice makes perfect, perfection takes pattern. Focus on my goals and ways to step up the ladder. Stop worrying about the BS, that really doesn't matter. Stop looking in my rear view, my future's what I'm after. So now I'm gunning, 100 miles and running. One die, living for something. I live down to be nothing. Care less about assumptions, only judged by the maker. Lulu, he full of gumption. Ish, he full of Laker. That's an 8th of Cali perp. I play with diesel like the Mamba. High up in the sky, escape the evils with the ganja. With all this Trump mess, it kinda make me miss Obama. America's divided, might just move out to Wakanda. Whoa, bet his next tape be laced with vibranium. Heart is titanium, reflection of the pain to be a sunny day.
All right, now we down to the straps. So what I did was I mixed a little bit of black dye with black paint, and I applied a piece of paper behind it so that, you know, obviously it won't get to the other side of it. And then I did layers of it. So basically I did like 2 to 3 layers of back, and I applied a finisher on top of it. And then I applied a couple more layers. Then I applied the final finish at the end of it once I completed the whole entire shoe. I hear a lot of people say like they don't usually paint those, the straps and whatnot. But with me doing this technique, I've been having a great result with it. So it's to each his own, honestly. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, comment on there what you like about this video or what we'd like to see next, and share it to your friends. Till next time.
6 top, make a big block.